A neural network is a computational model inspired by the human brain's network of interconnected neurons. Instead of biological cells, it uses artificial neurons grouped into layers. Each neuron receives inputs, numbers representing data features, multiplies those inputs by weights, adds a bias, and then applies an activation function such as sigmoid or ReLU. This activation function decides how strongly that neuron fires. Networks are typically organized in layers. The input layer feeds data into one or more hidden layers, which in turn feed into an output layer. As data flows forward, the network computes an output prediction, like a probability or a numeric value. Learning happens through a process called backpropagation. After comparing the network's prediction to the true answer, the network adjusts its weights and biases to reduce errors. Repeatedly feeding training examples and correcting mistakes allows the network to gradually converge toward more accurate predictions. This basic principle powers everything from image recognition to language translation in modern deep learning systems.